Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. You're about to experience some information that might change your life. Like, comment and subscribe. Like, comment and subscribe. See you on the other side. So the game changer for me was 2009 when Barack Obama became the President of the United States. That did something for me. It unlocked a small tiny part of my brain that completely liberated me from the idea of I cannot do. One of the reasons I put myself out there is I want to be that representative, that person that says to people or shows people that every single thing you desire is possible. I want to remove the idea of we cannot do. And that's why I was so inspired when Barack Obama said, yes, we can, because he stood there as the evidence that anything you desire to happen, regardless of your color, regardless of your background, regardless of whatever people say about you, it can happen for you. If you rewind it, you start to see Obama in a completely different way. His book is called The Audacity of Hope. His slogan was, yes, we can. Obama, in my opinion, is ultimately about the idea of dreaming big. And all I'm asking you today to do is to start dreaming big, because whatever you believe deep within your soul that you want to achieve, it is possible. Yes, you can. Yes, we can. Yes, it is possible for you to change your life. Yes, it is possible for you to be the one person that liberates so many people.